Yes.
Yes, I wanted to ask you, since I'm going through my conversion, am I allowed to sell my chametz since I'm not Jewish yet?
Are you allowed to sell your chametz? You're allowed to sell your chametz. There is no problem whatsoever. And
Okay.
I would say it would be proper. So you're accustomed to all of these things. You understand?
Okay.
Because when the day comes, you must be like ready 100%. And
Okay.
when we say we desecrate something, like it must be intentional. So you know exactly what you're doing. For example, in Shabbos, you come to the light intentionally, not bump into it.
Right.
Intentionally, turn on, turn off, and that's it. But
Okay.
one more thing, it's very very important thing. Don't take any offense. Very very important thing. So a non-Jew cannot be on a seder of a Jew, even if somebody in a process of conversion and have this family and they were heartbroken, like and this crazy other people, crazy. I mean that they were so nice, so sweet. Such a sweet people, they could not explain, and they had to go away somewhere, and like they were cooking this story like too much. They spent so much money going to the hotel, and because they didn't have a heart to say this couple that we cannot host you for Pesach, even though we've been hosting you for all year round. So I mean, people. I mean, I feel so bad for both of them. Like if you have respect to a person, just tell them like it is. That's it. So I mean, I'm willing to host you all of these days, but not to nights of Pesach. And it's actually proper not to go to any guest. Just open your Haggadah to concentrate on your family. You understand? And read it even by yourself when you have guests, when you have children, and it's always like I have a friend that we learn with, and they said and he always asked me how Pesach. Okay, but he said, you know what happened, and he started. Of course, I give him like 3 minutes of our learning time. What can you do? He said kids spill wine, this and that, and the other kids this. Okay. You understand? So can somebody concentrate on your pace? No. So stay with your family. Learn even by yourself. There is no problem. Just concentrate on a Haggadah. That's the most important. That then visit somebody or cook 5 dishes, different dishes.